Value tables displayed within the measure characterization can be configured to hide and reorder columns. This configuration only affects how the value table is displayed in the measure characterization and does not make any changes to the underlying value table. You must have a measure development role and be assigned to the measure to configure value table columns. You also need to be working in an open draft of the measure. Navigate to the characterization section that includes the value table you'd like to configure. Enter edit mode by clicking the edit icon next to the characterization section heading. Double-click the value table that you'd like to configure. Then click Configure Columns. Position your mouse over the 3 horizontal lines to the left of the column heading that you'd like to move or hide. Click and hold the mouse button to drag the column to a new location within the table. Or you can drag the column to the hide section if you'd like to hide it completely. Click Save, then click OK to exit the value table dialog box. Finally, click Save Changes to save the changes to the characterization section. It's a good idea to visually inspect the configured value table to ensure it looks the way you intended it to. It's also important to note that value table rows are organized alphabetically based on the parameter list in the measure. This order does not change when columns are reordered or hidden when using the Configure Columns feature. However, a measure developer can control the alphabetical order of the rows by changing the order of the parameters in the Supporting Data tab. Parameters at the top of the parameter list will appear as the leftmost columns in value tables and will have a higher priority when determining the alphabetical order of the rows. To change the order of the parameters, click the Reorder link at the bottom of the parameter list. Click and hold the mouse button on the 3 horizontal lines to the left of the parameter name and drag it to a new location. Click Save to save your changes. And check the new order of the parameter list. Please refer to the Statewide Measure Development and QA/QC Guidelines document for detailed information on the conventions for ordering a measure's parameters.